Hey folks, welcome to Rudy Luther Toyota. My name is Ryan Lutz and I am ecstatic to show you the GR86 2022. If you're looking for a compact, high-performing, balanced car, you drift kings are gonna like a car like this. Visually, we put a huge priority on the sport aesthetic for a couple reasons. One, we want that high performance like we promised. Having things like drag is not gonna be much of an issue just based on the hood. If you look down on the mesh grille, this is also a stylistic engineer choice as well to get the drag less as possible. And then you look at the sides, you're gonna have the vents as well. Airflow comes in, cools down the car, and also puts in more performance as we would have wanted. We have different safety features as well. We have adaptive cruise, we have lane departure assist, we also have lane tracing assist, we also have pre-pedestrian collisions as well, just so everything is nice and, of course, safe. Under the hood, we have 2.4 liters, 4-cylinder. It comes in a 6-speed automatic or manual transmission based on what you're looking for. Then it also has 228 horsepower and 184 torque as well. We offer two different trims. This is going to be the base model, but we also have the premium as well, and a video with my good friend Frankie. If you take a look at that, I would love for you to check it out. So, with some of my other favorite features, the smart key system, very convenient. If you look at the door handle, go ahead, press that, we lock the car. Can't even get in. Unless you have the key, such as myself, in my pocket, go up to the door, and it opens up with ease. As we're going inside the car, please admire the seat's bolsters. That's gonna keep you nice and tight within the car, so going high speeds keeps you comfortable and in packed as well. If you look at the screen, it's gonna be a 7-inch, super practical button layout's easy as well. Then you can have Amazon Alexa, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay at your convenience. And of course, impressions are a huge thing with us. You do want other people to admire your car. So the back part of it is gonna have a big impression on the spoiler here. The spoiler is gonna be an aerodynamic feature. Then you're gonna go down, see the backup camera as well. That's great technology, so you know what's happening behind you when you're backing up your car. Then you're also gonna see the GR86 badge, so people really know what car you are driving. Going down as well, we're gonna have the parking sensors. This technology is gonna make sure that when you are backing up to your garage, you don't hit anything in there. Or if there's a car coming by, rear cross traffic alert, it's gonna have the alert so you don't run into anything else. Opening up the trunk as well. Go here. So with a compact car like this, we still wanna offer enough storage for you. Things like groceries, things like small bags, things that you would want for a compact car. Underneath the liner is gonna be the fixed flat. So in the case that something happens to your tire, you're gonna be safe with a extra backup plan. Moving along here, we have the 17-inch chrome alloy wheels. This is gonna be on the car itself, but if you do like to customize and build it the way you would like, please don't be afraid to reach out to me. I would love to customize it the way you would like it. Looking over here, we have the automatic heated mirrors. Minnesota is renowned for its cold winters, so why not have something featured for the mirrors so they can heat up so you don't have to worry about frost or anything in your way when you're trying to drive. Same system here, smart key, come on in. There's a lot of comfortability in the GR86. However, if you're looking a little bit more for heated seats, leather, and suede, you're probably looking into the premium as well. Be sure to check that out. If we're looking at the top part, we got the SOS button. In the event something happens, or if you need some safety services, go ahead and press that button. You'll have people to help you out. Looking down here, we got the touchscreen. This 7-inch screen, you have practical touchscreen options for radio. You can go into your radio options in there, go back to your home. You also have your media. This is where you're gonna also connect via Bluetooth, or you can go to your iPod, iPhones. All those are accessible. You also have your phone. So when you pair your phone, you can connect that and use the phone features on there as well. Then we also have the apps. Apps, this is where you have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the SiriusXM Travel Link Roadside Assist, okay? Going out to home, roadside assist, settings to customize the way you want it, some maintenance things, and you can add a shortcut. Looking down at the bottom as well, we have the dual climate controls. You can have it on the driver's side or the passenger side, or if you keep looking down, we also have things like a sync button and all these other modes as well, such as rear defrost, front defrost, anything that you can help with. Going down here is your shifter. We have the park, reverse, neutral, drive, but we also have a manual option as well if you move it over. If you want to go in more manual controls, you can do that, or the paddle shifters here, also for the fun manual enthusiasts. As we keep going down, we have the off traction mode. Then you have a sport mode, which is if you want more punch and performance, and snow, because we live in Minnesota, you would need something like that. We also have the track option as there as well, if you want to have the most performance on the 86 whenever you're jumping on the track. And we're looking on the wheel. So the steering wheel here on the right side, you're going to have some buttons here when we're going to look at the menus on the screen. You also have the lane, you have the adaptive cruise, so that you can set your distance between you and the car in front of you. And you also have a little button for calling if you have your Siri, if you're connected, or your Google Assistant, or you just want to make a phone call. Then over on the left side too, then you have your volume button to adjust the volume of the radio or music you're listening to. You also change the source if you want to go to FM, AM, or Bluetooth. And then you also have your other phone buttons as well. Here there's going to be the information such as the battery and the engine temperature. Then you're also going to have the fuel economy, you're going to have the trip information, and you're going to have the tire pressure information as well. If I go over to the right, you're going to have some performance pages when you are on the track, so things you want to keep an eye on, you can take a look at that as well. Then you're going to have a spot for your Bluetooth for your music. Then you're also going to have a page for the radar cruise control. Then here we're also going to have the safety features that you can toggle on or off based on your preference. Then we have more settings for your customization. Then the warning pages. Again, this is the GR86 standard version. However, if you're looking at the features on the premium, I highly recommend you checking out the video. It's very fun, very informative. But if you still do have any questions on this car or any other car, please don't be afraid to ask. I would love to help you out get your next dream car. My name's Ryan Loops. If you are looking out for a new car, check out RudyLutherToyota.com.